Hello friends, welcome to the demo of Website Ocean. Website Ocean is a platform by using you can create your own website within 2 minutes. And the good thing is that it's a very simple to use, like we use Facebook and Twitter, and there is no technical expertise required for this. And a friend, if you are a existing business owner or newcomers, or you want to do something new regarding your work, and you want to get more visitors and a more customer and want to show your services to more people, so it's a good time to create your website in Ocean. So friend, let's visit Website Ocean website, and its URL is Website Ocean. So friends, this is the home page of Website Ocean, and here we get a banner which is displaying that create your amazing website in minutes. And a friend, and when we will scroll slowly to the down, we get some bullet points like excellent website design, convert your idea to business, and a video. And this video will be helpful for you when you will create your own website, because here we have explained everything how you can create your website and manage it. So friend, let's scroll down to below side, and here we get the information about website Ocean. And friend, at the top of this website Ocean, we are getting some links like create website free. Create website free means you can create your website in Website Ocean freely. There is no cost of anything. And after that, we get a link create website tutorial. Create website tutorial is useful when you are creating your website first time. So here we get some steps like how we can visit, how we can one by one go to the website Oceans, and we can create our website. And at the end we get that our website is ready within 2 minutes. And we don't need to do anything, like we don't need any technical knowledge. We don't need any code, and we don't need anything to do. So friend, after that we get also a link video tutorial. When we visit video tutorial, here we get some video related website Ocean. And in this time we are getting only one video here, that how we can create new website in 2 minutes. So friend, after that we get a one contact us, and if you have any queries or you want any help from us, so you can contact us in the given mobile number and mail ID, or you can also contact with us using this form. So friends, let's start, and we know how we can create our website within 2 minutes. So for that we need to click sign in and sign up buttons. And friend, here this is the login form of website Ocean. By accessing this, by filling our information, we can enter in website Ocean and enter. So friend, here we get to Facebook and Google logins. Either you can use Google or Facebook login, or you can use your email ID and password to access admin panel of website OCA. Friends, if you don't want to use Facebook and Google sign in, so you can create your website, you can create your accounts here, and after that you will get a verification email, and once you will verify your email account, after that you can use this panel, means email and a password for accessing this admin panel. So friend, and here I am doing Google sign in because it's good for me. So let's get started. When I will visit, I get here the Google sign in form, and when I will enter my web email ID, after that I will enter my password, and when I have submitted a detail, after that you will direct it to the admin panel of website OCL. So friend, this is the very clean and very simple dashboard of website Ocean. Here we get some information like how we have services count, gallery count, and a few links at the side of website Ocean admin panel. Here we get some links like manage website, manage wallpaper, balance, and extras. So friend, let's get start to create a new website. To create a new website, you need to click on manage website. After that, here we get the it's this list is blank because this time we didn't have any website. So friend, let's create a new website. To create a website, we need to click new website. So friend, this is the main form of creating a website, and now I will tell you how you can create your own website. Suppose that I am a flower shop owner and I want to open my and I want to create my website for my shop. So to do that, I can enter my flower shop. I can enter the name of my website, flower shop, and after that we need to enter the name. Enter name means that how we want our website, which types of we want our domains. So suppose I have websites. Suppose I have flowers. So I am creating flower shop. And when you will move your cursor from this here we get that our website link will be like this. And in the short description you can enter your own detail. In this time I am just copy and paste doing paste the name of website like flower shop. And the friend, when we will go to down, we will click, we will get option logo. And by using this, we can upload our logo, means which types of logo. Suppose that I am using flowers of, so I am using this logo. And the friend, this and at the end we get a blog, means a communication address. If any customer want to contact with you, you can fill your information and you can get your customer very easily. So here I can enter the detail like Delhi and flower at the rate. Friend, I am filling here the information for demo purpose. You can enter your email ID and your phone number. And when we have created, when we have submitted our details, after that we need to click on submit button. And as we have done submit button, our new website is created. So friend, here we get the link. So means that now we have created our website, but we want to know how it will look. So to do that, we need to click on this link. And friend, when we will visit this link, we get that our new website is created, and it's and in this time here we get default contents. When you will upload your content, it will be replaced by your content. So we get here that we don't need to do any code and any extra thing. Our new website is ready within 2 minutes. So friend, let's return to the admin panel. And by using this admin panel you can update your banners, services and other things. So friend, thank you for watching this demo, and stay connected with us to get more videos. Thank you friend, thank you.